Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to recall and also delete an already created expense or advance claim within the expenses application in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the expense application, he or she can simply locate this button called the recall expense within the landing page. This recall button can only be accessed if the status of the particular expense or advance claim is in the submitted mode. While if it is approved, it is basically not possible to access the same. If you wish to recall this particular expense claim, the user can simply click on the recall expense button, and the expense would have been recalled successfully and moved to the draft state. Now, this expense can either be resubmitted or can simply be deleted by clicking on the delete button. Only claims that are present in the draft status can be deleted. Once it is done, the claim has been successfully deleted and removed from the landing page. Thank you for watching.